Tracy Veterano, old family first, fam. Taught the world to swing that double-edged sword, it works, fam. BJJ from GJJ, like who hurt gave birth to a DJ fame. Despite the lineage, I will never be closed-minded. Refuse to see me blind, you know I'm blind. Rocket travels the 10th planet, I flow free. I walk on many mats, key to no key.
Hey, how's it going? Tavz Grad here. Decided to come home from having lunch. Anyway, so it's pretty brisk out, but not too cold. So I decided to put on a vest. As you can see here. I like the mandarin collar, the straight down here, and it's form-fitting, not too loose, where you can basically sit on it and it's not going to bunch up on you. And it's got plenty of areas where you can put patches on, or if you don't, you want to keep it clean like this, it's pretty good too. Lots of pockets, if you will. And these pockets are pretty thick. I put my gloves in here. And there's also 4 or 5 pockets in here. So you got deep pockets. Deep pockets here. Same on the other side here. See? Deep. You could put a soft drink in there or a beverage of your choice. You can stick your phone here, and if you want to put a little cash there, or a small burner, you can do that too. Or if you want to put a couple of other unmentionables in between your rides, you want to pull something out real quick and whatever. You do you. And it's also a jackknife vest. I mean, I have a couple of vests before that had only one pocket and no pockets here, and I basically couldn't do squat with it, which is right. This, you can do a lot more. In fact, you don't even need a backpack sometimes unless you want to carry a lot of stuff. This will suit nicely. It's form-fitting, so I mean, if you're of an average build like me, you can get this at true to size. Or if you're larger, get a bigger size, or if you're really skinny, you get a small size. But it works. Trust me. Okay, to sum it up, it's a good looking vest. Plenty of pockets, good build quality, and it's a value. You know, under $100, you can get a decent vest like this and have some change left over. I'm Tavz Grad, and thanks for watching, and be safe out there, and watch out for us, alright? Peace.